ngoba enye nje into enamandla ngoJesu ukuthi uJesu uyizwi likaNkulunkulu, uyilona, unalo, uyilo, linamandla liphuma kuye, linamandla likuye, linamandla ehamba. uJesu bazalwane wayeyinkinga ngempela, ngoba even nenyama yakhe, ngoba wayenengqondo eguquliwe, yayisubmit. uJesu wahlula uMaria. Uthi uMaria wayenamadimoni awu-7, wayeyazi indoda ukuthi ithintwaphi, ngoba uMaria wayedayisa ngomzimba. Kodwa wathi mayefika kuJesu kwacaca ukuthi ufike la khona kuphela yonke into, ngoba kwakuthi noma emthinta uJesu kucaca ukuthi uJesu ugcwele izwi, imizwa yakhe ayimphethe, uphethe uNkulunkulu. Kwacaca ukuthi uMaria uyakhothama, ngoba baningi vele abantu abanayo le nkonzo yokwenza nje ukuthi ugcine usuba molested nje, usuba manipulated, obe seduced. Wazama uMaria namadimoni akhe awu-7, uJesu wakhipha wonke, ngoba uJesu unamandla. Uma uJesu esengene kuwe uzonqoba uMaria, ngoba baningi oMaria la ngaphandle. Kodwa uma usunoJesu ephila kuwe uzobanqoba oMaria, ubanqobe nabo amaria. Uyangizwa ngikhuluma nabo, no Maria, no Maria. Yes, bonke nje uzobanqompela nje, uzobanqoba beza nezinto zabo, ngoba abanye abasasheli manje kusebenza umuthi. Uyithusa ufuke emphetheni ungazi ukuthi wawungene kanjani. Kodwa uma usugcwele izwi, you are able to navigate through the storms of the deceptions of time, because when you are filled with the word of God, you are able to rise above anything and everything. So I just don't know ukuthi yini into engabe iyakuhlula noma engabe iyakusabotaja, because you are a man and a woman of the word. Stick to the word. Go to YouTube, search the words of Jesus, the bread of life. You will hear umbukiso lapho, you will see a film or a character playing Jesus. Hey, my God, when you listen to that day after day, you will see your mind, because he says, regardless of where the words are coming from, if they are my words, they are not just literature, they are life, they are spirit. They quicken you, they reprogram your mind so that you have a new mind. And when your mind is renewed, your body is obligated to be transformed by the power that comes from the word in your mind. Whatsoever that the mind believes, as it is being influenced by the word of God, the body is obligated to follow.